Welcome to the top best. The best rolling toys is probably one of the most classic and enduring types of toys for kids. From simple balls to complex vehicles, these toys offer endless fun and developmental benefits. They encourage gross motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and an understanding of cause and effect. Whether it's a toddler chasing a colorful ball or an older child racing a toy car, rolling toys provide hours of entertainment and learning. Number 5. Bright Start's Roll and Glow Monkey Crawling Baby Toy. Get ready for a high-speed chase with this fun toy. It's designed to get your baby moving and grooving. This toy encourages your baby to crawl and explore. It's a great way to promote physical activity and development. With just a tap, the fun begins. Your baby can easily activate the toy and start the adventure. As the monkey rolls around, the wheels light up, adding to the excitement. The visual stimulation will keep your baby engaged. The toy plays cheerful sounds and music to entertain your little one. It's a delightful experience for babies 6 months and up. What we like. This toy is designed to get your baby moving. It features lights and sounds to capture their attention. If you have a baby who loves to chase and explore, this is a great choice to encourage their development. What people say. Laughing as it rolled around. Perfect gift to get babies crawling and more active. Functions perfectly. It lights up. It plays music. It rolls. Lots of fun. Sound is loud and size is great. Easy to clean and great quality. The boys love to crawl after it and I knew it was safe to play with. Number 4. Bright Start's Oball Rollin Rainstick Rattle. This toy is designed with 30 finger holes, making it super easy for your baby to grasp and hold. It's perfect for little hands to explore and play with. Inside, it features a rainstick rattle that creates gentle, soothing sounds. The sounds will keep your baby entertained and calm. With a 6-inch diameter, it's the perfect size for babies aged 3 months and up. It is easy for them to play with. The 30 finger holes make this ball easy for baby to grasp. This design helps develop their fine motor skills. The rainstick rattle makes soothing sounds. This toy is designed to provide auditory stimulation and fun for your little one. What we like. This toy is perfect for sensory exploration. The easy-to-grasp design is ideal for little hands. If you are looking for a toy that offers soothing sounds and tactile stimulation, you should consider this. What people say. It's lightweight, flexible, and super easy for little hands to hold. The holes make it perfect for babies learning to grasp, and the soft rattle sound keeps them entertained without being too loud. He likes to kick it and chase after it. It has a soft rattling sound and is easy to grab or hold. Number 3. Fisher-Price Rollin Rovee Interactive Learning Toy. This is a fun, interactive friend designed to grow with your child. It offers various play modes suitable for infants, toddlers, and preschoolers. With 4 different play modes, this toy keeps kids engaged. Each mode is packed with lights, music, and exciting activities to encourage movement. The Smart Stages technology teaches important skills. It covers the alphabet, counting, opposites, and even helps kids learn to follow directions. It features a multicolor light-up face, soft hair and arms, and an interactive ball. These features are designed to provide fun and engaging playtime. This toy is suitable for children aged 6 months to 5 years. It's a playtime friend that grows with your child, offering fun and learning at every stage. What we like. This toy grows with your child. It offers different play modes for various age groups. If you like a toy that provides educational content and adapts to your child's development, you should consider this. What people say. It has 4 different stages in this video. Is stage 4 for when they get a bit bigger, but she was all smiles every time Rovee threw that ball. The toy has several age settings. It counts, has a kid's voice, and bright colors. Number 2. Skip Hop Beetbox Crawl Toy. This adorable crawl ball is designed to get your little one moving. Just switch it on and watch it roll, encouraging your baby to crawl and explore. The Beetbox features motion-activated beatbox-style songs. When the ball is turned on and rolled, it plays fun music. This helps stimulate your baby's auditory senses. The toy is designed to encourage crawling and musical creativity. The sounds and movement of the ball will keep your baby engaged and entertained as they explore their surroundings. It also has a fun startup sound when turned on. The rattle beads inside respond to shaking or rolling, providing additional sensory stimulation for your baby. This toy coordinates with our farmstand collection. It's a great addition to your baby's playtime, offering both fun and developmental benefits. It requires 2 AAA batteries, which are included. The size is 4.56 inches long, 4.56 inches wide, and 7.58 inches high. It is a perfect size for little hands. What we like. This toy encourages musical creativity. It plays fun, motion-activated songs to get your baby grooving. If you like a toy that combines music and movement to encourage crawling, you should consider this. What people say. My little one loves musical toys and dinosaurs, so this was perfect. I love that you can snap the bone under the belly so it's not dangling around when we put it away. Toy is very well made. Perfect toy for baby that's interested in it, huh? It's cute, works good color, definitely bigger than expected, but good for them to want to go after it. Great way to get your little one moving and entertained with the beatboxing. Number 1. Fisher-Price Poppity Pop Turtle Crawling Toy. This adorable turtle-themed toy is designed for infants. It's a push-along vehicle that's sure to bring joy to your little one. As the turtle rolls along, colorful balls bounce around inside. The shiny reflections and fun popping sounds will keep your baby entertained. The toy encourages your baby to push and crawl after it. This helps strengthen their gross motor skills as they play. It engages your baby's developing senses. The toy introduces cause and effect, as they learn how their actions make the balls pop. This toy is perfect for infants ages 6 months and older. It's a fun and engaging way for your baby to play and learn. What we like. This toy is designed to strengthen gross motor skills. It features colorful balls that pop around as it rolls. If you are looking for a toy that encourages pushing and crawling, you should consider this. What people say. It has a little bell that sings, and the hose and top can be turned and makes a satisfying sound when doing so. Compared to a lot of other plastic toys, I was seriously impressed by the build quality. It's sturdy, feels high quality, and looks great. Good simple toy for crawling infant. Can hold on to it and push it around. Seems durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.